Good afternoon, Titikorn and Vipada.
Good afternoon.
Thank you for attending our chat session and congratulations on being selected as eminent person.
Thank you. Thank you for the reward from us for the paper. Because of this paper is my and her first conference, the international conference.
Okay.
It's the first time.
Okay. Thank you for attending our conference, and you're very enthusiastic.
Yes.
Okay. So, Titikorn, please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Titikorn Tantawutho. I am a flight support officer, safety officer, instructor, and UAS or unmanned aircraft system researcher and engineer from Unmanned Aircraft System Training Center at Defense Technology Institute or DTIUTC, Thailand. My work is related to the unmanned aircraft system in part of network communication, telemetry, video link, avionics, and research and develop the UAS prototype and the counter UAS or the anti-drone. Sometimes I am a UAS pilot and instructor. On this role, my career path is not only on the training and educating, but it also related to the UAS safety.
Okay, Titikorn. So, what was your motivation during COVID to carry out your research and participate in the conference?
Oh, the motivation for this conference. Okay, the motivation for me is the me and her have a duty on the defense technology. So we talk together to create the new innovation about the defense technology media production. So we will study about a lot of media production work. But in this research, we use the drone or the UAS, the new trend of the technology, to create the new perspective or the new views from the sky. Is a bird eye view. So, but the another research or the another works don't have this type of photo or videos. So we will create the new we call the new cinematography to present the defense technology. Because of these videos, we will help the researcher or engineer to see the result or the experimental that they research. This is our motivation to create this new research.
Okay. Then I would also like to know your opinion on attending online conference rather than physical during the pandemic.
Oh, your opinions.
Like, what do you prefer the most? Is it good for you?
I will let her answer these questions.
Okay, so I would just like to know that whether you prefer that online conferences are much good than our physical conferences in such a pandemic era.
Okay.
This is suitable.
Yes.
For keeping the distance and convenience to join the conference by online, but the COVID-19 is very terrible. If the situation come back better, I prefer to attending in physical.
Okay.
But for me, it's like her because is the social distancing for the COVID-19 crisis, but it's convenient and very useful to present and sharing by the online conference. But I prefer like her too to attending in physical, because when you see face to face, you can sharing and asking many questions. But for the online conference, maybe you can watch some the videos, but you not cannot asking many questions because of the time is not flexible like the physical. So I prefer like the physical conference rather than the online conference.
Okay. Okay, Titikorn. So would you suggest or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend a conference online?
Sorry, again, please.
Like I'm just asking that whether you will suggest or encourage your friends and colleagues to attend the conference online.
Okay. Yes, I will encourage and suggest my friend to attend this conference online, because it benefit gain from the online conference is almost same the physical conference, but it more convenient to participate between the other researcher, other teacher, other engineer.
Okay.
And do you want to say something?
I am definitely support, because of my organization support the staff to write the paper or research to the public conference.
Yes, so we will suggest and encourage my friend, my colleague to send the research and the paper to the conference.
Okay. And I would just like to know some positive feedback about our conference from both of you.
Okay. I will say thank you for this opportunity to ask. This is a great conference for sharing knowledge, skill, and wisdom from the different countries. The presented paper are very interesting and could be applied to the real situations. The organizing team like you is excellent in responding and supporting us. Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much, Titikorn.
And how about you? Do you want to say something?
This conference is amazing. This is my first international presentation. I have a lot of experience and knowledge to improve my career, research, and passion to create a new innovation. Thank you.
Thank you, Vipada. Even we are grateful. And we appreciate you coming in our chat session. Okay. Thank you so much. And again, congratulations for being selected as an eminent speaker. Hope you stay safe. And thank you.
Hope you stay safe too. The COVID-19 situation is quite many more terrible. Yes.
We hope to see you in our future conferences as well.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye.